बनाते हैं उसमें।
बहुत बड़े राजा थे वो।
हाँ, तो वो भी जिंदागी सकती उसमें ही, अब वो भी आएगी।
हाँ चालू हो गई लग रहा है, यहाँ एंड स्ट्रीम का ऑप्शन आ गया। हाँ तो क्या लोग हो गई चालू।
टी शर्ट बाहर ला के दे तो पहन ले। अब पता नहीं क्या लाइव चला रहे हैं अपना
चल
पढ़ाई।
गई, इधर देखो ना,
देखो नंगे बैठे।
इधर देखो इधर। अरे वो नहीं चल रहा यार, कैमरा नीचे बस स्क्रीन चल रही है, ये रहा लाइव।
क्या लिखा है ऐसे? मेरा ये लाओ ना, वीडियो लाओ ना उसको।
सुनो पहले उसमें खोल के देखो, आवाज आ रही है?
अरे पहले ये ले आओ ना,
ले आओ ना, वो तो बंद कर दो, सब बंद कर दो, ले आओ चुनाव।
पीडीएफ फाइल ले आओ ना, ये वाली पीडीएफ फाइल लाओ ना।
खोल दो बस, आ जाएगी। जो खोलोगे जो स्क्रीन चलेगा वही आती रहेगी, इसमें खोल के देख लो।
देखो जरा, लीन सिस्टम एंड इनोवेशन चैप्टर ओवरव्यू। लीन सिस्टम्स 7, जस्ट इन टाइम, कैजन कॉस्टिंग 5 years, टोटल प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट, सेलुलर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, 6 सिग्मा,
हेलो,
concept, prerequisites, impact, performance, measurement, back flushings in JIT, Kaizen costing, concept, principles, 5 years, concept applications, 7 wastage, total productive maintenance, concept, phases, pillars, performance, measurements, TQM and TPM, cellular manufacturing, concept, implementation process, difficulties in creating flow, benefits and cost, 6 sigma, concept, implementation of 6 sigma, quality management, 2 limitations, lean 6 sigma, innovation and BPR, process innovation, concept, business processor re-engineering, concept principles, main stages, DMAIC, DMADB, phases, applications, similarities and differences, 7 replaces, 7 वेस्टेज के बारे में, 7 वेस्टेज जो दिए गए नीचे। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन अगर करते हैं तो हमारा वेस्टेज होता है, इन्वेंट्री में भी वेस्टेज हो सकता है, मोशन में, वेटिंग, ओवर प्रोसेसिंग, ओवर प्रोडक्शन एंड डिफेक्ट्स। इस तरह से 7 तरीके के हमारे वेस्टेज होते हैं। इम्पैक्ट ऑफ JIT ऑन वेस्ट कॉस्ट, ओवरहेड कॉस्ट एंड प्रोडक्ट प्राइसेस। 3 इम्पैक्ट पर 3 जगह इम्पैक्ट होता है। प्रथम, फर्स्ट, वेस्ट कॉस्ट जो है हमारा रिड्यूस होता है व्हेन fully install a JIT system, so we vastly reduce all these types of waste. When this happens, there is a sharp drop in the several aspects of product cost. And second जो इसका इम्पैक्ट है, अब जो ओवरहेड कॉस्ट होती है हमारी काफ़ी रिड्यूस हो जाती है हैंडलिंग करने में। द कॉस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल हैंडलिंग फैसिलिटीज़ एंड क्वालिटी इंस्पेक्शन डिक्लाइन व्हेन ए JIT सिस्टम इज इंस्टॉल्ड। जो हमारा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है JIT का वो प्रोडक्ट प्राइसेस पे पड़ता है। In case in English we can learn like this: when a company achieves a higher level of product quality along with ability to deliver products on the dates required, customers may be willing to pay premium. Performance measurement in JIT systems. Many of the performance measurement measures used under a traditional accounting systems are not useful in a JIT environment. While new measures can be implemented that take advantage of the unique characteristics of the systems, machine utilization measurement can be discarded under the JIT environment. Another appropriate measurement is any type of price rate tracking for each employee. Any type of direct labor efficiencies tracking is highly inappropriate in a JIT system. Installing a JIT system does not mean that there should be a complete elimination of operational measurement. Back flushing in JIT system, again फिर से अगर हम रिपीट करें इसको तो JIT सिस्टम क्या है, CI में डिफाइंस करता है सिस्टम whose objective is to produce or to be procure products or components as they are required by a customer or for use rather than for stock. Just in time systems, pull systems, which responds to the demand, in contrast to a push systems in which stocks act as buffers between the different elements of the systems such as purchasing, production and sales. अगर इस डिफिनेशन को दोबारा याद करने की कोशिश करें तो इस तरह से याद करें: systems whose objective is to produce or to procure products or components as they are required by a customer or for use rather than for stock. Just in time system, pull system, which respond to the demand, is constant to push systems in which stocks act buffers between the different elements of the system such as purchasing, production and sales. A complete JIT system begins with the production, includes the deliveries to a company's production facilities, continues throughout the manufacturing plants and even includes the types of transaction processed by the accounting systems. There are some features of the JIT systems. First is the spare parts materials from suppliers of the extract date and the exact time when they are needed. Second is the state delivers to the production floor for immediate use to the manufacture products. Third is the visit of engineering staff at supplier sites, examining supplier processes. Fourth is the installation of EDI systems that tells suppliers exactly how much of which parts have to be sent, dropping up the products at the specific machines, so shorten the setup times, eliminating the long productions runs, streamline flow of the part from machines to machine, training to employees how to operate a multitude of different machines, performs limited maintenance. Several alteration is in the supporting accounting system. Then we can discuss it. Essential a prerequisite of the JIT system. First is the low variety of goods. Second, vendor reliability. Third is the good communication. Fourth is demand stability. Fifth is the TQM. Six is the defect free materials. And सेवन इज द प्रिवेंटिव मैनेजमेंट. इसे हम इस तरह से भी याद कर सकते हैं: लो वेराइटी ऑफ गुड्स, वेंडर रिलायबिलिटीज, गुड कम्युनिकेशंस, डिमांड स्टेबिलिटीज, TQM, defect free maintenance. Impact, just we have already discussed. Performance measurement in the JIT systems, again we are discussing. Many of the performance measurement measures used under a traditional accounting systems are not useful in a JIT environment, while new measures can be implemented that takes advantages of the unique characteristics of these systems. First is the machine utilization measurements can be discarded under the JIT environment. Another inappropriate measures is any types of piece rate tracking for each employee, any type of direct labor efficiencies tracking is highly inappropriate in a JIT system. Installing a JIT system does not mean that there should be a complete annihilation of the operation measures. Then we have all discussed the performance measurement in the JIT system. Again, by flushing in a JIT. Only the 1.5 line. Bag flushing requires no data entry of any kind until a finished product is completed. Again, we can repeat and need to be remember. Bag flushing requires no data entry of any kind until a finished product is complete. Just we can discuss on Kaizen costing. Second, in the lean system, second part, first is for the JIT, second is the Kaizen costing, third is the 5S, and next is the Six Sigma protective maintenance, cellular manufacturing. In the second way, this is the Kaizen costing. What is the Kaizen costing? The philosophy implies that small incremental changes routinely applied and sustained over a long period result in different improvement. Kaizen costings principles we can remember and write the same points in the examination. This is the 6 points which you need to the exactly remember. The system seeks gradual improvement in the existing situations at an acceptable cost. With the first principle, Kaizen costing, the system seeks the gradual improvements. Words need to be remembered, gradual improvements in the existing situations at an acceptable cost. Second is that it encourages collective decisions making and the application of knowledge. Again, we can receive it encourages collective decision, that it discusses about the collective decision making and application of knowledge. We can remember like this: it encourages collective decision making and application of knowledge. Collective decision making and application of knowledge. Third is things there are no limit to the level improvement that can be implemented. Third is the no limit to level of improvement that can be implemented. Fourth is the Kaizen involves setting standards and then continually improving these standards to achieve long-term sustainable improvements. Fourth is again repeating, Kaizen involves setting standards, that is setting standards and then continually improving these standards. Kaizen involves setting standards and then continually improving these standards to achieve long-term sustainable improvement. Next is the focus is on eliminating waste, improving systems and improving productivity. The focus is on eliminating waste. Kaizen costing principle focus eliminating waste, improving systems and improving productivity. That means we can remember like this: the Kaizen costing principle, the focus is on eliminating waste, improving systems and improving productivity. Involved all employees and all areas of the business. Kaizen costing principles means each and every employee will be involved in the Kaizen costing. Means everybody to be support the Kaizen costing principles and all areas of the business should be involved in the Kaizen costing. Again, we can next is the 5S. Just we are discussing the lean system. Lean system first is the just in JIT, second is the Kaizen costing, and third is the 5S. Just we are going to the discussing about the 5S. What is the 5S? 5S in the short term we can say in the Japanese word, 5 things in the written in the Japanese language: Siri, Satan, Shishio, Sisku and Shitkuse. Like this, it can be written in the English. Just we read down like this. 5S is the name of the workplace organization method that use a list of 5 Japanese words: Shiri, Satan, Shisho, Setku and the Shitkute. It explains how a workspace should be organized for the efficiency and effective by the identify and the storing the items used, maintaining the area and the items and sustaining the new order. Sheri is the Japanese word SEIRI, but it can be said in the English short. Short means in a order. Make work easier by the eliminating obstacles and the evaluate necessary items. That means each and every system view should be managed and according the serial number sorting, set in order. In the Japanese word Seiton, but in the English we can say this is the set in order. Each and every item should be in set in order arrange all necessary items into their most efficient and acceptable arrangement so that it can be easily searched due to the set in order each and every item. Scenario, that is when the clean your workplace means no any matter spread each and everywhere. If you this is the clean, you can easily search from anywhere. Clean your workplace on daily basis completely or set cleaning frequency. In the case of 5S, just first is the short, second is set in order, third is shine. We can also learn and remember the spelling of the Japanese word Sheri, Shitian, and Shishko. This is the three word. In the English, short, set in order, and shine. Next is the standardize. Secretarians standardize the best practice in the work area. That is where each and every item should be managed in the standardized way. Sustain, Sitskue, not harmful to anyone, training and discipline to maintain proper order. This is the 5S methodologies is being applied to a wide variety of the industries including manufacturing, health care, education and government. I feel that it is the easily rememberable. Again 5 yes we can read like this and learn short first, second is set in order, third is sign, fourth is standardized and fifth is the sustain. This is the 5 yes we can easily write these things in the examination if asked the question. Next is the total productive management, TPM. This is the next part of the lean system, total productive maintenance. We can easily read like this. Total productive maintenance is a system of maintaining and improving the integrity of production and quality system. This is done through the machine, equipment, processes and employees that add to the value of business organization. TPM helps in keeping all equipments in the top working condition so as to avoid breakdowns and delays in a manufacturing process. TPM strategies focuses on 8 pillars. Success with the 5 strategies as foundations. TPM goals: zero defects, zero breakdowns, zero accident. Performance measurement in the TPM. This is the diagram. Autonomous measurement. Next we can read like this. The most important approach to the measurement of TPM performance is known as the overall equipment effectiveness OEE measurements. Performance into availability into quality is equal to OEE percentage. Thus we can TPM go read like the TPM goes zero defects, zero breakdowns, zero accidents. First is the autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, focused improvement, entry equipment management, quality maintenance, education and training, TPM in the office, safety, environments management. Now again OEE may be applied. OEE may be applied to any individual assets or to the process. It is unlikely that manufacturing process can run at 100% OEE. According to Dell it L 2000, Nakajima 1998 suggested that ideal values for the OEE components measures are availability greater than 90%, performance greater than 95%, quality greater than 99%. Accordingly, OEE at the world class performance would be approximately 85%. Kodze 1993 contradicted that an OEE feature figures greater than 50% is more realistic and therefore more useful as an acceptable targets. This is now next discussing about the lean system. Next part is the cellular manufacturing one piece flow production system. Second, it can be say one piece flow production system. What is the cellular manufacturing? We need to learn in the lean system. SCMPE CA final paper 5. A subsection of JIT and lean system is cellular manufacturing. It encompasses a group technology. These goals of cellular manufacturing are to move as quickly as possible, make a wide variety of similar products, making as little waste as possible. This is the cellular manufacturing. Next, Six Sigma. Just we next discussing about the Six Sigma. If we are going to learn in the lean system, first is the JIT, second is the just we have learned Kaizen costing, third is 5S, fourth is the Six Sigma. Next we read out this. We need to the exact meaning remember and learn like and put the same meaning in the examination, get the full 4 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks, etc. assigned by the CA final examiner. Now read like this. Six Sigma. What is the Six Sigma? It is quality improvement technique. It is the quality improvement technique whose objective is to eliminate defects. It is quality improvement techniques whose objective is to eliminate defects in any aspect that affects customer satisfaction. Again we can repeat it like this. It is everybody can learn like this. It is quality improvement techniques whose objective is to eliminate defects in any aspect that affects customer satisfaction. The premise of Six Sigma is that by measuring defects in a process, a company can develop ways to eliminate them and practically achieve zero defects. Six Sigma can be used with the balanced scorecard by providing more rigorous measurement system based on statistics. Now you can try to learn like this. It is quality improvement technique whose objective is to eliminate defects in any aspects that affect customer satisfaction. The premise of Six Sigma is that by measuring defects in process, a company can develop ways to eliminate them and practically achieve zero defects. Six Sigma can be used with the balance scored by providing more rigorous measurement system based on statistics. Numerical concept of Six Sigma we write in the examination to take the good marks. Correct. Sigma is the statistical terms that measures how far a process deviates from perfections. The higher the sigma numbers, the closer the process is to the perfection. Sigma is the statistical terms of measures how far process deviates from perfection. The higher the sigma number, the closer the process is to perfection. The value of defect percentage. Six Sigma is 3.4 defects per million opportunity or getting things right 99.99966% of the time. It is possible to develop ways of reducing defects by measuring the label defects in a process and discovering the causes. The value of implementation of Six Sigma, where the Six Sigma का implementation कहाँ पे होता है, अगर इशू हम थोड़ा सा सरल भाषा में इस्तेमाल करें. There are the two methodologies for the implementation Six Sigma. First is the DMAIC, define the problem, the project goals and customers requirements. What is the DMAIC? D stand for define the problem, M the project goals and customer requirements. This method is very robust. This method is very robust. It is used to improve existing business process to produce dramatic improvement in a business process. Many entities have used it successfully. It have 5 phases. It has 5 phases. Define the problem, the process goals and customer requirements. Measures the process. M measures the process to determine the current performance. Analyze the process to determine root causes of variation and poor performance defects. Control means maintaining the improved process and future process performance. Improve the process by addressing and eliminating the root causes. DMAIC is the full form like D define, M measure, A analysis, C control and I is improve. This is the next we can do DMADV. The application of these methods is aimed at creating high quality product keeping in mind customer requirements at every stage of the product. It is an improvement system which is used to develop new processes or products at Six Sigma quality levels. Phases are described in diagram. D. Define the project goals and customer deliverables. M. Measures and determine customers' needs and specification. V. A. Analyze the process option to meet the customer needs. V. Verify the design performance and ability to meet customer needs. Design detail the process to meet the customer needs. We can DM A D. D for define, M for measure, A for analyze and V for verify and D for design. D for design, V for verify. DMAD. This is the next we can discuss. Both DMAID and DMAIC are the fundamental Six Sigma methodologies for the improving equality product process. Broadly, DMAIC deals with improving some existing process to make it align with customers' needs. With DMAD with the new design or redesign. Lean Six Sigma. Just we again discussing the Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is the combination of the Lean and Six Sigma which helps to achieve greater results that had not been achieved if Lean or Six Sigma would have been used individually. It increases the speed and effectiveness. It increases speed and effectiveness of any process within any organization. What is the Lean Six Sigma? It increases the speed and effectiveness. It increases speed and effectiveness of any process within any organization. By using Lean Six Sigma, organizations will be able to maximize profits, build better teams, minimize cost and satisfied customers. Now you can remember like this the Lean Six Sigma and written in the need to be write in the examination. Lean Six Sigma is the combination of Lean and Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is the combination of Lean and Six Sigma, which help to achieve greater results that had not been achieved if Lean of Six Sigma would have been used individually. It increases the speed and effectiveness of any process within any organization. By using Lean Six Sigma, organizations will be able to maximize profits, build better teams, minimize cost and satisfied customers. चलिए जल्दी जल्दी रिवाइज करते हैं इसको, पेपर नज़दीक है. प्रोसेस इनोवेशन. व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस इनोवेशन? याद करने की कोशिश करेंगे प्रोसेस इनोवेशन को. प्रोसेस इनोवेशन मीन्स implementation of a new or significantly improved production or delivery method, including significant changes in the techniques, equipment and or softwares. Again we can easily read. Process innovation means the implementation of a new or significantly improved productions or delivery methods, including significant changes in the techniques, equipment and or software. Business process reengineering. Hammer defines business process reengineering, BPR. Business process reengineering. This is the full form of BPR stand. BPR stand for business process reengineering, or simply reengineering, as the fundamental rethinking and the radical redesign of the business process to achieve the dramatic improvements in critical contemporary measurements of performance such as cost, quality, service and speed. Main stages, this is the important, like this is the summary. Again we are discussing summary. Main stages of BPR. Process identifications. Each task performed being re-engineered is broken into a series of process. P. Process rationalization. Processes which are not value adding to the discarded. Process reasonably re-engineered process are implemented in the most efficient manner. Process redesign. Remaining processes are redesigned. Porter's value chain. What is the Porter's value chain? Is commonly used in the business process reengineering. Value chain analysis, just it is Porter value chain analysis. Porter's value chain is commonly used in the business process reengineering as a technique to identify and analyze processes that are or the strategic significance to the organization. Business processes. Next we are chapter review. Cost management techniques. Just we have again रिवाइज, एक बार हम इसको दोबारा रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. लीन सिस्टम एंड बीपीआर, इनोवेशन एंड बीपीआर. तो देन लीन सिस्टम, अब नेक्स्ट पेजेस पे yes, this is the lean system and innovation. Like summary this lean system. फर्स्ट लीन सिस्टम में जो डिस्कस करना है जस्ट इन टाइम. दूसरा सेकंड कैजन कॉस्टिंग. थर्ड इज 5S. फोर्थ इज टोटल प्रोडक्टिव मैनेजमेंट. फिफ्थ इज सेल्यूर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. सिक्स इज सिग्मा एंड सेवन इज वेस्टेज, जिसको हमने अभी डिटेल में स्टडी किया. इनोवेशन बीपीआर में डिस्कस किया. प्रोसेस इनोवेशन और एंड बिजनेस प्रोसेस रीइंजीनियरिंग. तो बिजनेस प्रोसेस इनोवेशन में कंसेप्ट डिस्कस करना है. जो कर लिया हमने नीचे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले। बिजनेस प्रोसेस इंजीनियरिंग में कंसेप्ट, प्रिंसिपल एंड मेन स्टेजेस। मेन स्टेजेस अभी थोड़ी देर पहले डिस्कस किया हम आपसे। DMAIC एंड DMADV अभी डिस्कस किया। एंड अब लीन सिस्टम, ये हमने 7 वेस्टेज थोड़ी देर पहले डिस्कस किया था। कब हमारे 7 वेस्टेज होते हैं, बहुत ही सिंपल है। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करते हैं, वेस्टेज हो सकता है। इन्वेंट्री मेंटेन करते हैं, वेस्टेज हो सकता है। मोशन, आने जाने में, ले जाने में भी हमारे वेस्टेज होते हैं। वेटिंग टाइम भी हमारा वेस्ट हो सकता है, समय का प्राइस होता है। ओवर प्रोसेसिंग अगर कर दिया जो कि नहीं करना चाहिए था तो उसमें वेस्टेज हो सकता है। ओवर प्रोडक्शन में वेस्टेज एंड डिफेक्ट, अगर डिफेक्ट भी निकल जाता तो भी हमारे वेस्टेज होते हैं। तो इस तरह से 7 वेस्टेज याद करके हम इसको राइट डाउन इन द एग्जामिनेशन। व्हाट इज द 7 वेस्टेज? फर्स्ट वेस्टेज इज ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, सेकंड इज इन्वेंट्री, थर्ड इज मोशन, फोर्थ इज वेटिंग, फिफ्थ इज ओवर इज प्रोसेसिंग, सिक्स इज ओवर प्रोडक्शन एंड सेवन्थ इज डिफेक्ट्स। ये हमने थोड़ी देर पहले अभी प्रिंसिपल्स, लीन सिस्टम के जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं वो एक बार 4 पॉइंट हैं, उसको एक बार रिवाइज कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट इज द परफेक्ट फर्स्ट टाइम क्वालिटी, सेकेंड इज वेस्ट मिनिमाइजेशन, थर्ड इज द continuous improvement, fifth is the flexibility, sixth is the characteristics of the lean manufacturing। अब हमें 5 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक भी याद करने चाहिए, रट लेना चाहिए इसे हमें, पेपर अगर क्रैक करना है तो। 0 वेटिंग टाइम, 0 एंट्री, फुल प्रोसेसिंग, कंटिन्यूस फ्लो प्रोडक्शन, कंटिन्यूस फाइंडिंग वेज ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग प्रोसेसेस। JIT सिस्टम तो अभी हमने रीड कर लिया था। फिर हम अपनी क्लास में आधे घंटे बाद मिलेंगे। धन्यवाद।